even not as cold as it should be getting, right, Allison?
Right. So I wanted to show you this national temperature map one more time. So again, you can see that really cold Arctic air well to the northwest of us. And this time of year, most of the time, it stays up there in the Dakotas, Montana, Minnesota. But it's going to be heading our direction. So we're not talking about negatives as far as our true air temperatures, but we could see some negatives for our wind chill values. So right now we're at 35 degrees in Chattanooga. Again, that colder air, that blast is going to be moving in. This is going to be the coldest that we've been in December since 1989. So 33 years ago. Now we've had some colder temperatures in January more recently, but again, for December air, really cold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, temperature wise this morning right now, locally, again, we have that split. So the coldest air to the north because clouds cleared out there first overnight. 35 here in Chattanooga, 37 in Dalton, 41 in Fort Payne. We're going to continue to see those clouds kind of breaking up over the next few hours. But I showed you those high temperatures just about 5 minutes ago. These are the low temperatures forecasted. So tomorrow morning, we're going to have cloudy skies. It's going to be kind of a milder start to the day, 41. But then look at that Friday morning, especially around about 9, 10 a.m. That's probably where it's going to bottom out on Friday morning, 11 degrees. Saturday morning, that's your Christmas Eve morning, even colder, 8 degrees, 13 degrees for your Christmas Day morning. And then we gradually climb up from there. But even that climb up, it's still going to be below freezing. Wednesday of next week, 28 degrees as far as that low temperature goes. Here's a check of the clouds that I was mentioning that continue to fade out. So those yellow colors, that's where the clouds are. You can see how they're kind of melting away just a little bit. So they are breaking up. They're going to continue to do that for the next few hours, which is going to lead us to a really nice morning. So once the sun comes up this morning, again, shortest daylight of the year for our winter solstice today, it will be mostly sunny. And then heading into your Wednesday afternoon, we'll start to see some clouds lifting up. So clouds on the increase for your Wednesday afternoon and generally becoming overcast for overnight. Now this evening and the nighttime hours, there will be a few isolated showers that will pop up across your area. Not too big of a deal, but if you see some raindrops on your windshield tomorrow morning, that's what it came from. Now during your day on Thursday, generally dry during the daytime. I can't completely rule out a spotty shower during your Thursday daytime, but most of the day will be dry, just dealing with that cloud cover and that wind picking up from the south ahead of that front. So here's the front and there's that moisture too. So generally if you look at the window of time from about 7 p.m. on Thursday to about 4 a.m. on Friday morning, that's when we're going to have the moisture moving across your area. So a narrow window of some rainfall, then that wintry mix as that colder air sinks in and it's going to plummet really quickly. We'll have that change over to some snow showers. And then again, by about 4 a.m., it is gone and out of here. Skies are going to clear up. You're going to get sunshine on your Friday, but boy, it is going to be frigid outside. So total rainfall through Friday morning, about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. There's just not a whole lot of moisture with this. And then I'm going to show you the first kind of snowfall map that we're putting together. Of course, this may change over the next 48 hours or 36 hours. Here's that potential snow that we're looking at. Valley spots, sorry for you, none to maybe that coating up to 1/2 inch. Really, it's going to be once again those higher elevations. Most higher elevations about 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, although we may see about 1 to 2 inches Grundy County portions of Van Buren County, and then also seeing about that 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches off to the east. Now the problem is, of course, we know we have the cold air, we also have the wind. So whether you have rainfall, whether you have snow, we have to watch for a flash freeze. The wind's going to be our friend and help us with that flash freeze and kind of dry off the roads, but still watch for slick spots on the roads for Friday morning and through the day. The wind is not our friend, though, when it comes to the wind chill. So let's look at this going through the day on Friday. This is 6:30 in the morning on Friday. All of those negatives basically staying negative for your wind chill throughout the entirety of Friday until you get to Saturday morning. So you need to dress in layers. You need to be prepared for the cold. That's why we have Friday and Saturday as storm alert weather days, because really from Friday morning through Saturday morning, those wind chills are going to be low in single digits, if not below zero, the entire time.